So we have a 2025 Range Rover SE P400. A good client of mine just picked this up for his wife. Traded in her white Range Rover, I believe. I forgot what model that was. But I've done several cars for him. The last one we did was that black G-Wagon, the G63. If you guys follow my YouTube page, etc., you will have seen it there. And anyway, this is a client who found me through, I think it was at a big South Florida car show. He had somebody already that he was using for this kind of work, and must have been not fully satisfied. So I remember him telling me that at a big car show he asked who people would recommend, and what he told me is that some people who were not, or maybe still are not, using me mentioned to him that if that's what he's looking for, to contact me. And I appreciate that when people bring up my name. So he brought his McLaren initially, and as he told me again this time after he dropped this one off, he goes, "John, meeting you was both a pleasure and a curse, because now you have taught me what to look for as far as the condition of the paint goes, imperfections, etc." And he says it's a curse, because now I see every little imperfection and it drives me nuts. So the same thing with this car. He brought it in new, and the car was in excellent condition, but it had some extremely minor lines. Like one of them was here somewhere that he pointed out, and I'm thinking, man, nobody else would have seen that. At least not, not a non-detailer. The average client would not ever pick that up. So with this one, was in very good condition. We did a polish on some areas. We had to do a paint correction, very minor, and then it was all ceramic coated. The tint was already done, maybe at the dealership, I'm not sure, but the tint was done. So we did the polish, the ceramic coating, and then the ceramic coating on the windshield and on the roof glass as well. So he'll be here later today to pick it up. Like I said, it's a daily for his wife, and they're both very particular people, and I'm sure that she will be happy when she sees this one, because it was already beautiful when they brought it, but they knew that it would be taken to the next level after dropping it off and having us do what we do, and in this case what we did. Absolutely beautiful car. The metallic in it is stunning. When you look up close in the light, it has purple, blue, green, I believe, sparkles to it, and really looks amazing.